Going on, guys? We're going to do a little technical analysis look on Tesla. Tesla had a pretty bad day today. So obviously everyone already knows. I don't need to get into it. Elon Musk wants to buy Twitter, wants to buy out, however many $1 billion worth. Is this legit? Is this not? Who knows, right? Who cares at the end of the day, right? Do you care as a trader? Do you really care? What's going on? The only thing I care about is the price action. What is the chart showing me? So there want to be headlines out there. There's some news. Is it going to make the stock go higher, or is it going to make the stock go lower? Okay, that's all I care about. When it goes lower, I need it to break some support levels, show me some confirmation. If it wants to go higher, I need it to break some supply, and I need it to give me some confirmation, and then I'll just play the chart from there. I don't need to really get too tied up. So whether that's the reason why Tesla sold off a little bit today, the overall market was down today. So, it could just be going with the market, could have nothing to do with Elon Musk and the Twitter deal here, all this jazz going on social media. But we closed at $985. We were down 3.5% today, $37 on the day. So what I do want to notice, if you can see this orange line that I'm highlighting on my screen, that's the 100-day simple moving average. Pretty much this week, most stocks in the triple Qs were in a little bit of a distribution pattern. What that means, basically, in short, stocks just went absolutely nowhere. They went sideways, right? So we were down a little bit on Monday, up a little bit on Tuesday, up a little bit on Wednesday, back all the way down on Thursday. Really did not go anywhere. We were within a tight range. Stocks were just going sideways. It's not like the stocks are going down, not like the stocks are going higher. They just pretty much went like this, right? Pretty much went like that. A lot of traders got chopped around this week. A lot of traders lost some money. A lot of traders did not know really how to partake in this kind of environment. It's a little bit more trickier. You do have to take profits off the table extremely quicker. And you also do have to accept the fact that you are going to get stopped out and lose some trades along the way. Just kind of make sure you guys are sized properly. You're not, trying to go into a week like this when you understand that the market is very, very choppy, and try to over leverage yourself. So if you're normally trading 3 contracts, but you're like, I took a couple losers, let me go ahead and trade 10 contracts. You just don't want to do that. You can really hurt yourself, hurt your account. So with that being said, for me, Tesla needs to hold this level. Okay, so it needs to hold this 970. Let's call it 972, 970. If Tesla doesn't hold that, it will have some support down at 950. But I can tell you that if we lose yesterday's lows, right? So yesterday being the 13th of April, if we start to lose this 970 area, could be a potential short position into the 950. I think that maybe we find a little bit of support at the 950, chop around for a day, and then kind of bounce. That might be your opportunity to day trade that to the long side. We have further down support at 926, so just also keep that in mind. Now to the top side, Tesla has a lot of work to do. So from a macro standpoint, Tesla really needs to get over like 1015, 1020. Okay. If I pull that up on like an hourly time frame, really needs to get over the 1020, right? So 1020 is going to do a test at 1030, which is a 10-point move. Potential for a little trade there. If you're a longer time frame trader, you would basically tell yourself anything over 1020, I'm going to look for profit, take profits at 1040. Okay, so if I get a push higher and then we lose 1020, you're going to sell your position and close the trade for a small loss or a break-even loss. That's if you're a higher time frame trader, meaning you're trading the 4-hour, you're trading the 1 hour, you're trading the daily candlesticks. Your opportunity to make money on Tesla is not now. Okay, it's not now. It's over 1020, over 1020 into 1040, and obviously over 1054 back to 1075. Those are your areas of opportunity. So until that happens, you have to sit patiently. What I do want to point out here on Tesla, just going back from this week, we had the big spill all the way from 1150 all the way to these lows, but this is a higher low and this is a higher low. So are we starting to form up a little bit of a trend line here where Tesla is going to get a bounce into next week? Now, if we get a bounce into next week into the 1000 area, I would expect to bounce into 1000 and then chop around between 1000 and 120. Remember what I said, the big trade doesn't happen until over 1020. So if you do want to chance at bouncing this here, understand that you are jumping into this trade a little bit early and you could get chopped around a little bit if you have a weak stomach. So it might do something like this. All right. So you're going to have to endure a little bit of drawdown somehow in that trade, depending on, whether you're looking to just scalp it. You want to really wait for Tesla to clear out these price levels. And if you want to, intraday day trade it, you're going to get big swings up and down. If you want to swing trade it, understand you might get 1 or 2 red days along the way to that bigger price target. So make sure if you're trading options, your expirations are set accordingly. So if you're looking for the bigger trade and you're looking to play, a trend line bounce here, and this is all just a theory, but if this is the short-term bottom and this is our higher low and this is our higher low, then if we break this level, you have to exit the trade. But if we hold this level here and continue to grind, then you continue to hold the trade. But you're going to need to give yourself at least 2 to 3 weeks on those options contracts. I hope that helps. Just a little bit of analysis there for Tesla. I want everyone to make money. It's a great trading stock. Tesla is probably one of the best trading stocks in the market. I don't care what anyone says. With that being said, join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Also subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about Tesla. Did you trade it? Did you make some money this week? I'd love to hear. And I will see you guys all next week.